Hi my friends, and welcome back to our TIA Portal tutorial. In this lesson we will talk about tone timers, time on delay timers. And let me first explain you about these timers, and after that, if we have time, we will simulate it. But if we don't have time, you will simulate it in your TIA Portal and change and try to understand how it's work in real case. So my friends, let's open my favorite paint programs, and here we have the tone timers, and this timer has the same like our previous timers as the inputs. This input and our output and our ET blocks for the real-time timers, and this PT, and how it's work, my friends. Firstly, let's write it like cube and in. So my friends, for example, if you assign the 5 seconds for PT, what does it mean? When we have the in signals here, we have in signals. Let me write it like this. So we have the in signals here, but sorry for this. Let's do it. Okay, we have in signals, and our timer is start with time, and when the 5 seconds is finished, the Q output is activated. We have here the delay for 5 seconds, delay for PT time in current 5%. In current time 5 seconds, and after that our Q output is activated, and it's still activated until we have the in signal. When the in signal is disappear, our output is also disappear, and timer is set to 0 seconds. So now let's open our program and try to simulate the programs. As you see, my computer is also not good for the simulation. But if you don't have computer, or if your computer is not supported even to open the programs, you can make request to tasco.az web, and we give you the virtual machine for test your programs. So let's delete these timers and add our tone timers here. We have tone here and add it, and let's give the name for it tone less. Press OK button, and here let's write the 5 seconds. I think enough. 5. Yes. And for T, let's use the MD0. I think it's also enough for us. And now let's compile our programs. So our programs is ready, and we don't have any errors and warnings. And let's start our simulator. Line simulator start. Press OK button. So my friends, I open the sim table and let's start to simulate our project and press the go online button and let's switch to monitoring mode, and now let's add our tag here. It's tag number 1 and let's change it to press enter. Now the timer is started and our output is on now. Let's return it to false. False, and you see the timer is resetted. Now let's do it again to be sure about it. And our output is again activated, and now let's do it false again and it's reset. So my friends, that's all for today, and in the next lesson we also talk about the TOF timer, and I think it's enough for you about timers, because all another timers we can talk more about timers, but it's take a lot of time to about in your times and my times, and I think you not get a lot of knowledge about timers, because in the future during your work you crossed faced with the timers, and you learn more about timers than any lessons you can check, because in practical way you will think more complicated when you learn all about PLC. When you know the semantic manager, when you know your programmer, and when you know the tier portal, you can compare these products. And also, if you learn the structured text programming, you can make more complicated algorithms about working of the programs. So my friends, that's all for today. I wish you good health and good likes. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. See you in the next lesson.